So weights coming, standing first, popping your weights to the floor. Inhale as you lift your shoulders and exhale as you roll them back and down. Inhale, lift, and exhale, roll them back and down. And once more, inhale, lift, and exhale, roll them back and down. Extend your arms up to shoulder height. Draw the arms out to the side. Draw the arms slightly behind you if you can. Come back to shoulder height and then release the arms back down. Rise the arms up to shoulder height. Palms facing me as you take the arms out to the side. Back to shoulder height and releasing back down. And once more, rising out to the side. Back to center. And release the arms back down. Take the arms out to the side and draw your thumbs behind you. So your palms are facing out to the side or in that direction. And then allow the ear to drop down towards one shoulder. Rise head back up. Opposite ear toward the other shoulder. And rise back up. Let's take a few of those from side to side. Just as comfortable as it feels okay for us, so not too much, still our warm-up. And then drop the chin in towards the chest and roll the ear toward the shoulder, chin toward the chest, and other ear toward the shoulder. If it's too much with the hands out to the side, just lose the arms. Just do the head. And chin back toward the chest. Rise the head up, release the arms. Take the hands to the shoulders. One elbow back and the other. As though we're swimming backwards with bent arms. And then maybe if you wish, full circles with the arm, taking the gaze behind you. Maybe following the hand with the gaze. Breathing. And release. Take your legs wide, toes pointed to 10 and 2. Bend your knees, cross the arms over in front of you. Reach the arms out to the side and release. Bend the knees, cross the arms over in front. Reach your arms out to the side. And once more bending. And releasing.